Hi everyone. In this video, we'll go through the steps to install the W2P plugin to sync WooCommerce with Pipedrive. Then, we'll set up the plugin to create a solid foundation for fully synchronizing your site. Let's start by downloading the plugin. Go to your account page and click the Download button. The plugin download will begin. Once the download is complete, head over to your site's admin panel. In the Plugin section, click on Add New Plugin. Upload the plugin file you just downloaded, confirm the upload, and wait for the installation to finish. After the plugin is installed and activated, go to the Settings menu located on the left-hand side of your admin panel. To start using the plugin, you'll need to set up your W2P and Pipedrive API keys. For the W2P API key, first, copy your site's domain name. Then, go back to your account page where you downloaded the plugin and click Create a new API key if you haven't already. Once the key is generated, link it to your domain name and save it. Then copy the API key. Go back to your plugin and paste in the API key. To ensure your W2P API key is working correctly, click Check Connection. A confirmation message will appear if the connection is successful. Next, let's configure the Pipedrive API key. In your Pipedrive account, go to Personal Preferences, then navigate to the API tab and click Copy. If no API key is visible, click Generate New Token to create one. Paste your Pipedrive API key into the Pipedrive API key field in the W2P plugin. Now, retrieve your Pipedrive domain by copying the first part of your Pipedrive URL. Paste it into the company domain field in the plugin settings and verify the connection. And that's it. The plugin is ready to be configured. To get started, simply click Load Default Settings, confirm the pop-up message and wait for the success notification. You can now browse through the various categories to review the pre-configured settings. These default settings provide a solid base for synchronizing users and orders. And just like that, WooCommerce is now integrated with Pipedrive.